Quick little update on exactly what the crypto market is doing right now. So at the start of the day, nothing was really doing well. Most coins were going down. There was a little bit of panic. Now as the day progressed, I'd say that Bitcoin, since right now it's basically at all-time high levels, right now 94.8 thousand if you wanted to know. My trades are obviously doing nice because, well, Bitcoin's at an all-time high. XRP, for example, every single time you got back into our zone and you bought, you would probably be happy right now because it bounced. You could have sold at a roughly, let's quickly see, could have sold at roughly, I'm going to say 60% or so profit right here. Or if you were slightly, more conservative, you could have sold for 36% profit right there. Then after the bounce again on XRP, right now we are 50% up. It's only 5, sure, but we use leverage. Right now we've scaled our trade up. Again, we started with only $250 in our account. We've scaled it up a little bit, so the account is now larger. Over on Bybit, the trades are also looking pretty good, if I were to say. With the Dogecoin trade still being at roughly $27,000 worth of profit, Bitcoin at roughly $26,000 worth of profit. Let's quickly go ahead and scroll through. XRP being at about $19,000 worth of profit, and I'd say that's about it for the most amazing ones. Memes today saw a complete bonanza, with some coins like now doing pretty okay, even though on the hour Mudang is also down. But throughout the entire day, generally here, it's actually been quite quote-unquote bad. Let me quickly show you here. Dogecoin had a pretty good run. A couple of other ones, I think Peanut saw some good action somewhere throughout the day. But generally speaking, it's been a red for meme coins, except for the memes of memes, which obviously has been chill guy, which I don't even know how to describe it in a short manner for y'all. All right, this coin has been some of the most viral, sensational crypto hit that I've ever seen. It changed the entire crypto meme coin meta from AI coins and things of the sort, animals, to just this guy and things close to it. But also just a radical shift towards everything TikTok related, as that's where this really came from for the most part. By the way, if you've not done it yet, make sure you go ahead and press the like button on this video, and make sure you put that notification bell on so you're always notified in case something crazy happens. In this case here though, when it comes to these memes, there's nothing too crazy going on that you could do something with. You can buy them, or funny enough, you cannot buy them. But if you really want to get into meme coin trading, it's so much effort, so much discussion that one video here and there is not going to do you too much. You need to be dialed in, so to speak. Having said that, the Bitcoin breakout we were talking about earlier, that we were talking about yesterday, has, in hindsight, to put into perspective, this is basically what we stated before, right? The moment we break out, there's a very good chance you're going to set off towards perhaps $100,000 plus. And so this might be one of the last times to stack up. I also added that, well, you can actually try to just sell right here, try to buy back at the bottom. And so if we're really looking into it, like our analysis was perfect, and this is the most perfect textbook breakout ever, where again, we sold, let me quickly show you, basically right there. I didn't really buy in because I already have enough of a position, but we could have bought right back in there and then gotten the gains on the way up. This, if you played out exactly what I described, would have been amazing for you. And if you didn't, I hope at least you did well, right? Because obviously I'm not your financial advisor. You can do as you please, but this has been pretty freaking amazing. Then again, I am not completely happy with Bitcoin continuing on with this surge, because the higher that Bitcoin goes, the more dominance it is right now slurping up. As you can see, Bitcoin's dominance was 58 before. Right now it's back to 60. Over on the week, Bitcoin's not doing as much anymore, but also these altcoins are not doing much. Like I said, I think for the most part because Bitcoin is slocking it all up. And as it goes into Bitcoin, obviously people are like, well, maybe it's not so smart to be in alts, or maybe it's Bitcoin season for a little bit and alts later. And that also just destroys a lot of the momentum that is there on altcoins. And you can see today was a quite slow day, whereas before it was like 50% up many of them days. Right now it's been mostly down, a little corrective day. Again, it's not bad, but it's mostly just because Bitcoin has been gaining and alts can't keep up. It's just a temporary thing though. And honestly guys, I think news-wise, I could talk up here for another 15 minutes about how my XRP trade was amazing and how you should have listened to me, but I'm not here for that today. TikTok just got banned also, which is not so nice. And it's also 6 a.m. I just wanted to quickly give you all an update. I'm still extremely bullish. Sailor's announcements keep getting more and more bullish by the day. If you're selling right here, then when are you going to buy, right? What's the plan? Because right now, in my opinion, it feels like the super cycle is really starting to set itself. And again, anybody who was with me with longing the XP longs, by the way, a link to Blowfin is down below, which is where I'm trading these coins, would be up tremendously right now. Congratulations to all of y'all if you listened to my strategy. That would have been amazing. But again, you're a free person. Do as you please. That's about it.